All right, so check this out. Hey, Chris, I just want to show people, are we actually assembling, testing, programming, and making these here?
Yes.
Yeah, we are, right?
Yeah.
Is it all in China?
No.
No, right?
No, that would make things really easy.
All right, guys, so yeah, we programmed them here. We have the Quant Asylum for testing. We pack, we ship. Everything is done in-house. All source code is here. Here's our prototypes. Currently under development with the firmware. You can see the firmware programmers. Here's our PCBA machine. There's our 3D printer here, printing parts. Got all kinds of parts here from the 3D printing, as I showed you. A bunch more parts. You can see LEDs, chokes, capacitors, reels upon reels, components for our PCBA machine. Even more reels, capacitors, resistors. I've done videos on how I try to source the highest components parts from as many US factories as possible. All right, let's see what's up over here. Let's turn on some light. So we've got our product boxes. We've got some additional storage. Here we have PCBs that are ready to go. More PCBs. On the shelves here, we have all kinds of parts. Gold-plated RCA connectors for the WVC and WVC Pros. 3D printed parts, batteries, cases, power supplies, antennas, packing boxes, tons and tons of boxes with parts such as screens. Here we have the CNC cases for everything. So you can see all of the high quality aluminum cases with UV printing, laser. Here's our reflow oven, dedicated servers for the source code, GitLab, things like that that we use. Here's the one laser, Hydra 13. So again, cutting, laser etching, anything that we need to do. So here we are. You can see the KiCad designs here. So the schematics, electronics, everything is done here. We could see the 3D boards here. You could see even our blender, all of our marketing material is all made here. So this is how we build our 3D prints. This is how we build our cases for the CNC. I have all of our products here. So you can see this is the new 6. You can see the stack up of the PCBs, just like I showed you. So, yeah, it's not like we outsourced this and we asked the factory to design, build, program. Basically, everything, as much as we can, is done here by me. Here's the code. You can see it's all programmed again by me. Mask with the PCB and our jig. When we lift the board up, we should have everything ready to go for the pick and place machine. All right. The next thing that we do is we program the unit. I just flashed the firmware on here. 13.61 volts, dead on. So one thing I don't want to lose sight of is why I started this. As you guys can see, the investment and the effort is absolutely monumental. The amount that I do here, I design, etc. It all started because at the end of the day, I'm a passionate bass head. This is my high voltage build. You guys know it, 400 volts car audio. It all started because I shared my passion for this, and so many of you liked what I was building for myself, all of my custom electric circuitry. You guys said, hey, I'd love to have one too. So here we are, just a bass head making bass head products. I can understand why you automatically assume that it's cheap Chinese stuff, that I'm trying to make all the money in the world just by asking a factory to design and make my products, and I have zero passion or interest in it. At the end of the day, I'm an engineer. I love to engineer stuff. I love to run things I build myself. And I'm also loving it that you guys are also enjoying my products. I'm happy to see the overall community overwhelmingly approve of what I'm building and how it's making their life and their hobby better. So I appreciate all of you.